In this next installment of our video series dedicated to cancer and lupus awareness, today we speak with one of our members who is one of the 200,000 Americans diagnosed every year with lupus. According to the Mayo Clinic, treatment can help, but there is no cure. Please listen in.
My name is Lorena Roy, and I was diagnosed with lupus at the age of 18 or 19 years old. Lupus is a disease, a chronic illness that attacks the body's immune system as well as the body parts. Lupus is very hard to diagnose. Some people take years to be diagnosed. The thing about lupus is it can affect you mentally, it can affect you emotionally and physically. Lupus affects your memory. Like for me, for example, I struggled with brain fog, migraines, body aches, joint pains. You get flu-like symptoms. So it's the one thing I would want to tell people who are affected with lupus is to be patient with yourself and be gracious with yourself and rest and value your energy when you have good energy, because one day you can have energy and the next day you don't. I would also want to recommend those with loved ones with lupus or going through the diagnosis process is to be patient with them, be understanding, because there's nothing like someone telling you, you don't look like you have lupus. Lupus does not have an appearance. You cannot tell if someone is sick or not, like you would if someone had cancer or some visible illness. Lupus is very invisible, and it affects and attacks the body, many different people in many different ways. There is no one way to compare lupus. Like I've had people to say, well, I know such and such and they're not doing this. There is no comparison. But praise report, a few months back, I had my final rheumatologist appointment, which is very important that a rheumatologist diagnose you and you have a good supportive one. He said, your blood work came back, your test came back, and I've never said this to anybody, but I don't think you need me anymore. Your blood work is fine. And he dared to undiagnose me, but that's okay. I undiagnosed myself. I didn't claim it anyway. But anyway, as of now, as far as I'm concerned, I am free and clear of lupus. So that is my praise report. And be patient. Stop trusting doctors and chasing symptoms. Trust God. And He is a burden bearer for a reason. So in Jesus' name, that's my testimony.